Living the royal life in the princely state of Rajasthan is no longer a fantasy, but a dream come true. The 15th century palace of Neemrana, which is of great historical importance and is India's oldest heritage resort, which is located in village Neemrana, district Alwar of Rajasthan. So let's just get started with the journey of two backpackers to Neemrana from Delhi. Neemrana Fort is Rajasthan's closest palace from New Delhi, situated at 122 kilometers on Delhi-Jaipur highway. It's just 3.5 kilometers from local bus station and 40 kilometers from Rewari railway station. This place is considered to be one of the favorite destinations for a leisurely stay. At present, Neemrana Fort Palace is touted as one of the most unique hotels in the world. This 14-tiered property sprawls across 25 acres. Let us go back to the times gone by and imagine it is the 15th century. You are the princess of Rajasthan, and indeed, life could not get any better. Neemrana's occupants were of the royal Prithviraj Chauhan lineage. This place screams of nothing but reality, with every detail tailored to match the lavish lifestyle of ancient Indian nobility. Along with that, the top of the palace offers panoramic view of the entire Neemrana city. It is an architectural wonder of restoring the heritage with its original doors and windows. And many major elements of the palace are kept untouched and restored to their original splendor. This exquisite heritage resort was built on a plateau of the 2 billion year old Aravalli ranges. A 15th century reconverted fort features two spectacular pools that lean out to the sun. The upper pool is heated during the winters to take the enjoyment of sunsets to another level. Most rooms boast of a private jharoka which has been specially designed to have splendid views, and this is what we had during our stay. Efforts have been made to experience the lifestyle of a king with the modern day comforts. While most heritage resorts near Delhi are born with beauty and treasures of history, Neemrana has 72 rooms and suites and offers a vibrant site for magical sunset point and an amphitheatre for cultural programs conducted every evening. Post the royal experience, we went ahead to explore more in Rajasthan. We spotted AMER Fort, or also known as Amber Fort, that was on the way to Jaipur, which was approximate 130 km distant from Neemrana. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City due to the dominant pink-colored schemes of its buildings. So for now, we'll end up our journey with HAWA Mahal, or the Palace of Winds, located in the heart of beautiful pink city of Jaipur and Rajasthan, which is renowned for its rich cultural and architectural history. It is one of the famous tourist attractions and a prominent landmark of the city. It has 935 windows on the outside wall, and a honeycomb-shaped and beautifully carved window allows breeze to blow through the palace and make it a perfect summer palace. Now it's time to bid you bye, but we'll soon come up with our next journey story. Till then, stay safe.